Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing the backbone, your network. Set WPA3, enable a guest SSID for EOT, and update router firmware now. Next, pick a platform. Matter gives cross-brand ease, while HomeKit, Alexa, or Google each have strengths. Choose one to reduce complexity. Then make an inventory of what you want smart: lights, locks, thermostat, cameras, and sensors. Once done, prioritize devices that save time or energy. Those yield immediate wins and lower ongoing friction. You now install and integrate. First, physically mount and power devices. Follow manufacturer notes for spacing and load limits, and label power circuits. Then, add each device to your platform, assign it a room, and create scenes and automations for routines like wake up or away. Make sure to test triggers and timings. Simultaneously, separate EOT on a VLAN or guest network, enforce 2FA, and set strong admin passwords. This protects your home while devices communicate smoothly. You wrap up by building layered automations. Combine time schedules, sensors, and presence so systems respond intelligently. Once configured, run full tests. Verify latency, battery status, and fallback behaviors when a device loses connection. Make sure routines run in sequence and that manual overrides work. If something breaks, start with the key troubleshooting step. Reboot the hub, repair the device, and review logs. If persistent, factory reset the device and re-add it, which usually clears hidden pairing faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.